When we're talking about legal considerations or the legal consequences of how you act in a real estate transaction, I'd say there's far greater exposure for sellers in a real estate transaction because it's all about disclosure. It's about disclosure if you have a dispute with your neighbor. It's about disclosure if there's a neighbor across the street that is consistently loud and has parties and blares their music all hours of the night. Consistency in terms, and this is a real world situation, in terms of a neighbor that, let's say, is harassing you. They're constantly watching you, but they're also harassing you when they see that you're out in the backyard and that they blare their music. For sellers, it's disclosure. It's so critically important. Best way I tell sellers to keep yourself out of litigation is to make sure that you do a phenomenal job of disclosing. And that's everything to do with the systems of the house, any repairs that you've made of the house. We call it the transfer disclosure statement in California. It is so absolutely critical that the seller is upfront and exposes as much information as they possibly can within reason as far as what's gone on as far as that house and their experience in the neighborhood as well.